to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty?
Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. For this specific style, you will need some sort of afro hair. So I'm using my Afro Kinky Curly by Better Length. These are clip-ins. And I'm also using some of this braiding hair, jumbo braiding hair. So yeah, if you guys would like to see what this style entails, continue watching. So as you guys can see, my hair is not detangled, okay? And we have to slick this stuff back into a ponytail. So I'm just gonna see where it's at right now. I might want to take these earrings out. Guess I'll go ahead and get started on my detangling process.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes.
I'm going to part my hair right here.
Let yourself be free.
I'm gonna do it right here. Use one of my smaller combs.
Just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Once I get that part, I'm gonna take some of my gel. I'm using the Eco Black Castor and Flaxseed. I'm gonna lay that hair down.
Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit.
I'm gonna separate this section for a second so that I can slick this side down. I think it'll make it a lot easier on me. And we just really wanted to get the hair moving in the direction that it was going to go. Because now we're gonna take this onto the back.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He just,
And you just want that V to show in the top. It doesn't matter what it does once it goes to the back.
Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us.
Okay, let me get my twisters together.
Look at him, he's got a bad reputation.
Okay guys, I'm gonna try to clean up that part right there.
All the time I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine.
As much as I try to do clean parts, I never can.
Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, it gets when I'm in a bad.
Okay guys, So now that we are to this point, I'm going to braid my hair, okay?
You got a history.
You're free to do whatever you would like to do with your hair. At this point, if you know something better, but I'm gonna braid mine.
Looking at us.
Detangle it a bit first.
Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine.
Now I'm going to grab my Afro kinky curly hair from Better Length.
No drama, no drama.
And I'm going to take,
No drama.
I'm going to find the clip that has either 4 or 5.
No drama, no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
So I didn't take that all the way up to the base. As you guys can see, I took it up here, right there. I'm gonna spray some water on this hair. I'm gonna scrunch it a little bit. And I'll do a little something like that. Try and get those curls popping a little bit better than they are right now. Yeah.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Only chasing highs, you need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never
Okay.
thought
Now you're going to grab your braiding hair. Yes, and now that I have my braiding hair, hold up. I'm gonna double that first around my hand like that so it can be tighter around the base.
on my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better.
Not possible. I tried.
You love me better than you do. Yeah. Ooh. You love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give.
Okay, one of my clips came loose. Let me fix that right quick.
In my mind now, a queen needs a king to be by her side.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this around here just to keep it separated, okay? And for this, I'm going to separate another section. How do I want to do that? I'm going to go ahead and wrap this around the base of my ponytail.
I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better.
Now I'm going to take the remaining hair
My loving's on my mind.
and I'm going to separate it into, how many pieces do I want to do? I think I might do 3, and I'm going to braid it, okay? Do a single braid. I'm gonna have one be kind of big and the other 2 be like medium sized. They're not gonna be as big as you probably expect them to be though.
look like porcelain in the light. No complaining, we were alright. But then again, I thought we were one of a kind. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. Oh na na, wish I wasn't right. Now every morning when I wake up, you're late so close, I gotta push you to your side. I go to work while you still sleep, I don't wanna argue cause it's never worth a fight. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. Oh na na, wish I wasn't right. Whoa, 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 what a lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay. What a lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay. When we began here, we were
So we have curly hair on one side
nothing in the rain, and I've been acting all insane.
and braids on the other. This is how you want it to look. Okay guys, so now that we're in the final steps of the style, you should have your 3 braids on one side and your curly ponytail on the other. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the medium-sized braid and we're going to start right up under that base. And we're going to begin wrapping that braid around, okay? Just like that. And you want to make it as tight as you can as you wrap it. And do it as close to the previous braid as you can as well. And now I'm coming to the end of this one. So I'm just going to continue wrapping it around. Then I'm going to take a bobby pin, and because these are braids, it's really easy to just like stick it up through there. So I did it just like that. See, it's in place, and you can't see the bobby pin or the hairpin. And again, I'm going to continue wrapping the string around with the leftover hair. Then I'm going to take another.
And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us.
And if you guys remember, I've done a style similar to this because I did the Gabrielle Union. And if you're worried that everything won't stay in place, you can always go in and add some pins. You can just direct them up inside of there and it'll hold its place. But yeah, this is our hairstyle. How do you guys like it? Let me know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. We're getting really close to 15K. I told you guys, June 24th, my birthday. I wanted to have 15K subscribers. So definitely get started. Get that goal. Make that happen for your girl, okay? So yeah, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Click the notification bell so you don't ever miss an upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Definitely like this if you think this is a cute style and if you'll wear it. See you later. Bye.
No drama, no drama, yeah. No drama, no drama.